Here's how to use ChatGPT to come up with endless short-form video ideas. AI is an amazing tool, and if you understand how to leverage it correctly, you can create so many different topics for your short-form content. So let me show you with an example. Let's pretend that you're a fitness coach and you want to do a series of short-form videos on weight loss. So I created a prompt in ChatGPT and I asked it, based on weight loss as the topic, provide me with some aspirations of people that are trying to lose weight. What are their challenges? And then what are some ways to overcome those challenges? Let's take a look and see what it came up with. Let's take a look at what ChatGPT provided us. So common aspirations that people have when it comes to losing weight include wanting to improve their overall health, increase their energy levels, and improve their physical appearance. So right there's 3 different topics that you can create a series of videos on. However, there are many challenges that can prevent people from achieving those aspirations. These challenges may include lack of motivation, lack of time, lack of knowledge about nutrition and exercise, and so on. You see how by just putting in a specific prompt and asking for a more detailed explanation, you're going to get, look right there, lack of motivation. That's a series of videos easily for a fitness coach. Lack of time. So time management when it comes to exercise and working out and nutrition. Lack of knowledge about nutrition and exercise. Well, you could do a series just on nutrition, just on exercise. You could see how this can really lead to an unlimited amount of ideas and videos. So let's look at what they said when it comes to overcoming the challenges. What are some of the points they gave us? Set realistic and achievable goals. So that first one, you could do a series of videos specifically based on where they are in their fitness level. You could do a video for people who are that haven't exercised in 20 years versus somebody who maybe is physically fit, but they had an injury 6 months ago, let's say, and they haven't worked out in 6 months. So what would be a realistic and achievable goal for that group versus the other group? You see how this works? Create a plan and stick to it. So you could do something on goals, on planning your workouts and your nutrition, find physical activities you enjoy, running, swimming, cycling. There could be a series of videos in each of these. I don't want to keep going through this because it's just the same. I'm going to keep telling you, for every one of these suggestions that ChatGPT put out, there are like a series of videos you could create on each one of these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made you think a little bit of how to utilize ChatGPT, not just to ask it a simple question and get a simple answer, but to dive a little bit deeper. You're going to get a lot more information, and it's going to open up an entire different realm of possibilities when it comes to content creation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out some of my other videos where I dive deep into how to utilize short-form video content to grow your business. I'll see you next time.